Fear. Noun. An unpleasant feeling triggered by the perception of danger, real or imagined. What is it about darkness that entices fear? Is it because when we're in it we feel vulnerable or don't know what's there? Is it because it submerges us into the unknown? In this series, I will take on locations that are haunted and uncover their secrets. What lays ahead in this darkness is for us to discover. As we entered the cemetery, we were met with an eerie inscription. Who was this mystery woman, and why was her headstone so different from the rest?
Here it is, the Cemetery of Secrets. This place is so creepy.
So the creepiest thing to this cemetery is this headstone right here. As we can see, it's kind of newer and it's also hollow. But the creepiest thing is that it says, "I still live." And tonight, we're gonna see if Elizabeth Glace really does still live. As night fell, the investigation ensued. It was time to enter darkness.
Okay, just got here to the cemetery, and it probably was just a deer, but something actually just like ran while I was walking in here. So I hurried up, pulled out my flashlight and phone, and it sounded like you could faintly hear something running away. I'm not really sure if my phone picked it up too well, but well, that was pretty freaky. What a way to start this off. What an entrance to what's going down tonight. Alright, something is definitely lurking in this cemetery because I kicked something out. Lights in the background are houses. There are actually two. So if I do happen to pan and you see that, it's most likely the light from one of those houses. But the main focus for tonight is because of this headstone right here. So we're going to try and come in contact with whoever this may be, or whoever is here for that matter. Ooh, something just moved over there. Hello? Is someone there? Okay, so I'm standing near Elizabeth Glace's grave, the one that says, "I still live." And we're just going to do a little EVP session here and see if anything comes into contact. Try and stay quiet. There were some deer moving around. Hopefully they don't interfere with this. But if anyone's here, can you come over and make a noise? It is pretty chilly. I don't know if the camera can see my breath, but if there's anything like around me, it's probably just from me breathing. Is there anyone here? If there's someone here, can you tell me what this headstone says? Elizabeth, are you here right now? What also makes this place pretty eerie is that apparently there's headstones for Revolutionary War vets. Now that's old. That is really old. I haven't been able to confirm that. What was that? Something just moved over there. I'm more so trying to capture the voices that we can't usually hear. Most of these surrounding noises, I can almost guarantee, are going to come from some sort of animal, especially because of the remote location. There's no one here. So, like, I'm trespassing, disturbing whatever lives around here. So naturally, I kind of feel like some stuff's going to be moving around. If you want me to leave, can you make a noise? Ooh, that scared me. It was just a leaf falling. I mean, that was a noise, technically. If you want me to leave, can you make a really loud noise? Scare me out of here. Can you tell me what your name is? Spirit box session. This is the SB7, pretty famous. It's a radio transmitter, so it sweeps through multiple stations, and hopefully spirits can communicate through it. So I have it hooked up to an external speaker so that we may hear it better. So let's go ahead and start sweeping through. Is there anyone here right now? What does this headstone say? Can you hear my voice? If so, say something. Let's turn the sweep rate down a little bit. Can you tell me what year it is? Is there anyone else here right now? Ooh, that definitely just said something. Say yes if you can hear my voice. What is my name? That just said Ryan. Oh my God. That literally just said my name, Ryan. I think that said something. I think that said something. I think that said something. How do you know my name? I can't believe that said my name. That's incredible. Wow. Did you die in a war? What was that? Oh my God. Do you want me to leave? Oh my gosh. That said something right as I put my hand on it. Can you say that again, please? That's a wrap. What? What? Oh my God, what was that? I can't tell if something just said hi or bye. But wow, that was super loud. Thank you for communicating with me. I'm going to turn this off now. I'm honestly just at a loss for words right now. Something definitely said my name, and like, what are the chances of that? Because that picks up the radio frequencies. So like, it's just astronomical, the chances that I would ask, what is my name? And something pulls the name Ryan through. I have the chills right now. That was really creepy. And there's a ton of other responses there too. So I definitely got to check out what else was said. But it's going to wrap up this investigation here. Elizabeth Glace and whoever else answered tonight, thank you for your contributions. And I apologize for disturbing you, but I just felt like this needed to be done. Whoa, what was that? I felt, ooh, man, I have really bad chills right now. I just bent over to pick up my spirit box, and I legit felt like someone was right behind me, like someone was coming in behind me too. Wow. Okay, I think it's time to get out of here. This place definitely has some activity, that's for sure. A lot of the other noises were just obvious woodland animals, but like now I'm just getting vibes, and they're not very good ones. They're not good at all. I think it's definitely time to leave.
My time in the cemetery definitely provoked something. My name was said, and I heard stuff around me. As I let these souls rest now, I wonder if there really was something back there. Someday I might return here, but as I discovered tonight, there really are some things that do still live.